Activity: Scheduling by Marissa Porter. Event: Planning a Moment, April 23rd to the 25th. Hosted by Lily, Rinku, Mo, Marissa, and Supreet. Brief summary: we decided on a grounding down activity, which was scheduling. This is a useful time to enforce the use of scheduling as we are in an unpredictable pandemic. We want to create a sense of routine in the individuals' lives who are participating. Virtual. We connected virtually with our audience in many ways, including videos of us incorporating TED Talks, articles, tutorials, and other useful links, such as healthy meals and apps that can be used. We created a poster to get the word out about our activity and what to expect from it. Using Facebook as our platform allowed us to make it easily accessible and create a clear understanding for the audience. Virtual as a CYC. Facebook is easily accessible and can allow youth who may be timid or worried to connect with you while avoiding the fear of face-to-face interactions. The world is quickly becoming more and more virtual, meaning this is a quick and easy way to get a hold of someone. Effectiveness of mental life space. We allowed the audience to know the pros that come from creating a proper schedule. We educated the audience on the importance of maintaining a schedule and incorporating healthy habits, including proper sleep, eating, and physical activity. We gave the audience a chance to release stress and create mindfulness with the use of a routine. Mental as a CYC. Using schedules allows children to feel organized and know what is expected out of them. It allows families to be in a proper routine, which will create less chaos. The CYC work one-on-one to create the proper schedule to fit the needs of individuals that the CYC will be working with. This will release the stress by creating the rhythm of being in a routine. Effectiveness on the relational life space. As a group, we made different types of scheduling, which included visual, color coding, and electronic. We gave the audience a chance to allow us to know how they felt before the activity and after by participating using polls. We interacted with the audience as we received likes and comments back from them. Relational as a CYC. Creating options is important as everyone is unique. No two individuals you work with in the field are going to be the same. Connecting with clients as a CYC is important to create trust with each other. Using polls in the field can allow you to see how the client is feeling and can educate yourself on whether or not you accomplished your goal. Barriers of presenting activity. Due to COVID-19, we had to create a new activity. This was done very last minute, which created stress for the group members and disorganization. Not being able to see each other face to face made it hard to communicate and allowed others to easily avoid meeting and speaking up. Not every member contributed equally, leaving a lot of work for other members. There was many language barriers which made it hard to fully understand, especially when you are not able to meet in person. How we could have worked around barriers. It would have been very useful to create a backup plan if the original one did not work out from the start. We should have set consistent meeting times weekly, which would allow us to feel more organized and know when we were expected to meet while being prepared. If individuals did not want to contribute, allow them to know that this is affecting their mark and make teachers aware of that from the start. We should have found ways to work around the language barriers, such as writing things down and being more clear while we speak. Overall, I believe we worked through the barriers, and by the look of the polls before and after, we accomplished our goal of a grounding down activity. We were able to allow the viewers to know the importance of scheduling and the impact one's routine can have on their ability to thrive and create relaxation, as well as a stress reliever. Thank you.